Imagine your body as a high-tech city, running non-stop, powered by a lightning-fast communication network. This is your nervous system, your body's own super-fast internet, connecting every part of you in real time. It lets your brain, the command center, instantly sense and control everything from your toes to your fingertips. Picking up a glass of water, your eyes send data to your brain which plans and commands your muscles to act, all in a split second. The central nervous system, CNS, your brain and spinal cord, is the main server. The peripheral nervous system, PNS, is the network of nerves branching out to every corner of your body. Your senses, eyes, ears, skin, are the system's sensors, constantly feeding information back to headquarters. This network lets you feel, move, and react often before you're even aware of it. It also runs automatic processes like your heartbeat and breathing, keeping you alive without conscious effort. Together, these systems form a command and control network that makes you a living, thinking being. Welcome to the incredible world of your nervous system. At the core of your body's network is the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord. The brain is the master computer interpreting sensory data, making decisions and storing memories. The spinal cord is the main data highway, relaying messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Messages travel down the spinal cord to your muscles and glands, and sensory info travels up to your brain. Both are protected by tough membranes called meninges, and cushioned by cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid acts as a shock absorber and delivers nutrients, keeping the system stable. The spinal cord isn't just a relay, it controls reflexes, those instant reactions that protect you from harm. Touch something hot, the spinal cord sends a command to pull away before your brain even registers the pain. This emergency shortcut saves precious time and prevents injury. The CNS is brilliantly designed for both protection and speed. It's the ultimate command center, keeping you safe and responsive. Without it, your body's network would fall apart. The peripheral nervous system, or PNS, is the vast network of nerves connecting the CNS to every part of your body. These nerves are like bundled cables carrying messages to and from your limbs, organs, and skin. Cranial nerves connect the brain to your head and neck. Spinal nerves branch from the spinal cord to the rest of your body. They let you feel a breeze, move your fingers, or sense pain. The PNS is the bridge between your brain and the world, turning thoughts into actions and sensations into awareness. Every feeling and movement depends on this network. It's your body's essential messenger system. Zoom in, and you'll find the nervous system's true workhorses, neurons. Each neuron is a specialized cell designed to transmit information. Neurons have a cell body, dendrites to receive signals, and a long axon to send them. Dendrites act as receivers, picking up messages from other neurons. If the signal is strong enough, the neuron fires, sending an electrical impulse down its axon. Many axons are wrapped in myelin, a fatty insulation that speeds up signal transmission. The signal jumps between gaps in the myelin, making reactions lightning fast. At the end of the axon, the message reaches the axon terminals. Neurons don't touch. There's a tiny gap called a synapse. When the signal arrives, neurotransmitters are released, crossing the synapse to the next neuron. This chemical relay keeps the message moving. Billions of neurons working together create your thoughts, movements, and sensations. It's a microscopic relay race happening every moment. Without neurons, your body's network would be silent. They are the true messengers of your nervous system. Neurons get the spotlight, but they rely on a support crew, neuroglia, or glial cells. Glial cells outnumber neurons and perform vital tasks. Astrocytes support neurons, supply nutrients, and help form the blood-brain barrier. Oligodendrocytes in the CNS and Schwann cells in the PNS create the myelin sheath, insulating axons for fast signals. Microglial cells act as the nervous system's immune defenders, cleaning up debris and fighting infection. Glial cells are the system's caretakers, electricians, and security team. Without them, neurons couldn't function properly. They keep the environment stable and the network running smoothly. The nervous system's success depends on this hidden workforce. Glial cells are the unsung heroes behind every thought and action. The nervous system works through a simple, powerful process: sense, integrate, act. First, sensory receptors detect changes, light, sound, touch, and convert them into electrical signals. Sensory neurons carry these signals to the CNS. The CNS processes and interprets the information, deciding what to do. Interneurons in the brain and spinal cord connect sensory input to the right response. Once a decision is made, motor neurons carry commands from the CNS to muscles or glands. This triggers movement or other actions, like pulling your hand away from something sharp. Sensory input, integration, and motor output form the foundation of every reaction. This system lets you respond instantly to your environment. It's a seamless flow of information, keeping you safe and in control. Every move you make starts with this three-step process. That's the genius of your nervous system. Much of your nervous system works automatically behind the scenes. The autonomic nervous system, ANS, controls vital functions like heart rate, breathing, and digestion. No conscious thought required. The ANS has two divisions, the sympathetic system, fight or flight, and the parasympathetic system, rest and digest. The sympathetic system gears you up for action, while the parasympathetic calms you down and conserves energy. These systems constantly balance each other, adjusting to your needs. There's also the enteric nervous system, ENS, your second brain, embedded in your gut. The ENS manages digestion independently, with more neurons than your spinal cord. It's why you get gut feelings. Your digestive system is talking to your brain. Together, these systems keep your body running smoothly, even when you're not aware of it. Your nervous system is always working for you, day and night. The nervous system is a marvel, but it's vulnerable to damage and disease. Even a small disruption, like a pinched nerve, can interrupt signals and affect movement or sensation. Diseases like multiple sclerosis strip away myelin, slowing or blocking nerve signals and causing serious problems. Neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's destroy neurons, leading to memory loss and loss of control. Spinal cord injuries can sever communication, resulting in paralysis. Every link in this network is crucial. A single break can have dramatic effects. Understanding the nervous system helps us appreciate how we think, feel, and move. It's the wiring that connects mind, body, and world. Protecting this system is key to a healthy, full life. Your nervous system is your body's greatest network. Keep it running strong.